Hey goodies. Hey.
Hey. How y'all doing?
How have you been? Oh, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a minute, and there's so much to catch up on. Don't do that. Don't judge me. Yes, I've been away for quite some time. The kids are back in school. My birthday was yesterday. It's just been a lot of things going on. But it's time for us to catch up. It's time for me to share all these recipes that I've been filming and not posting. It's time. How have you guys been? Let me know in the comments below what's been going on with you. How has your summer been going? If you forgive me, comment down below. We forgive you. But yeah, let's get into this what I eat in a day, because I definitely have a lot of content that I have not shared, and I've received so many messages. I know a lot of content creators say this, like, I've had so many requests or so many DMs, but no, seriously, you guys have been hitting me up under my videos, in my DMs, letting me know how much you enjoy these what I eat in a days, and these recipes, these low carb and plant-based recipes that I've been sharing. And I've still been filming them, just not posting them, and I will explain to you why at the end of this video. But here's low carb and plant-based what I eat in a day. If you forgive me, stick with me throughout this what I eat in a day, and we're gonna chat at the end. Girl, stop looking at me like that. I see you side-eyeing me. I'll explain everything at the end. Some mornings I just don't feel like having a savory breakfast, so on those mornings I have a smoothie, or in this case you can call it a milkshake. I'm using some Orgain plant-based and low-carb protein powder for my vanilla base, and I'm also going to be using the Simply Delish strawberry pudding packets to make it thicker and to get the strawberry flavor. So after blending this all up, I'm going to garnish it with some fresh strawberries, but I'm also going to add some hemp hearts and some chia seeds for more fiber and more protein and good health. I saw this dairy-free whipped cream at Publix, and I had to give it a try, and it didn't disappoint. It is so good. It firms up a bit in the fridge if you have it sitting too long, like in the mouthpiece, but it's worth it.
I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out.
Pickled onions have become a staple in my low carb and plant-based way of eating, and I am so happy I started making them at home. It's really easy to make, minimal ingredients, and they add a nice kick to the dish. I put it on sandwiches, salads, even hot savory dishes. It is so good. So I plan to have something savory for lunch, and I knew I was going to need some. I just finished a batch of these, so I was like, let me go ahead and make some and put it in the fridge, and they'll be settled by the time I'm ready to have some lunch. So yes, I'm so excited.
Search until you find it, say it's in the timing. I just call it righteous. I just call it righteous.
Yeah.
I just call it righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along just like a saint. I was on lockdown. But the whole time,
As you can see, the lime juice and the apple cider vinegar has already started wearing down the onion, so this should be ready in about an hour.
now I see. Cause there you are looking at me, looking at
So I'm ready for my second meal of the day, and as I said before, I want something savory. So I'm going to be trying out a recipe that I saw on a YouTube channel called Mary's Test Kitchen. I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. If you're eating vegan, whether it be low carb or not, you definitely want to check out her channel. She sometimes does keto recipes or low carb recipes, and they're super creative and delicious, and she's really down to earth. She doesn't make veganism sound like this thing that is untouchable and higher than all things. She just makes it really easy. She makes it look easy, and I really enjoy watching her channel, so check it out. But yeah, we're going to be doing what I saw her do, but I'm going to be adding some seasonings that I prefer to my tofu pieces, and then we're going to put some toppings on it, and it's going to be yummy. Now that my tofu pieces are seasoned, I'm going to toast 2 of the slices, and then I'm going to put up the other 2 slices for another meal. Now to our toasted tofu slices, I'm going to add some guacamole. That's going to be my avocado source for today, my source of fat and also protein. It has some tomatoes and seasonings in there. I think this one is the spicy one, but it's a great combo with the tofu. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should try it. Never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to know life means sometimes that we find. Now to my arugula, I'm going to top it with our delicious pickled onions. They could use a little more pickling, but they're soft enough for me. I really love onions, but these with the apple cider vinegar and the seasoning, oh, it is so good. So I'm going to top this on this, and we're going to dig in. After cooking dinner for my family, I just wanted something quick and simple. So I'm going to make a low carb and plant-based, or should I say keto vegan fried rice. And I'm going to throw some, of course, some plant-based eggs in there, and also some plant-based chicken. And it's going to be absolutely delicious. I've tried many different kinds of plant-based chicken, but I must say my favorite brand is the Daring brand. This one is the Tofurkey brand, and I think I've also tried the Gardein. They all tend to be low carb, so there's no issue there for me. But in terms of texture and flavor, I really love the Daring brand. But I had this in the fridge and I had to use it, so I'm going to make my fried rice with that. Just how you take my breath away, baby. Can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different. Don't know what to call it. It's something different. And I think I'm falling, and I can't find words to describe it. Boy, you got me hypnotized. It's taking over me like a brand new melody. Your voice is like a song I've never heard. Okay, so here's the tea. Where do I start? My laptop broke. It fell on the floor and broke. I can show you footage here for those of you who don't believe me. And then I got it fixed. But even after getting it fixed, it's like trying to get myself to get back into the filming and editing. It took a minute. I don't know if anybody is a content creator and they understand, like, not like coming out of your groove and getting back into it is kind of difficult. So even now, me filming this, I'm praying that I get this out like this week and not doing other stuff. Not that I'm wasting time, but the kids back in school, I got stuff to do. It's just a lot. So filming and editing is a sacrifice, and it's a lot. So coming up, these videos that are upcoming, these are content that I've been filming because I'm still eating low carb and plant-based. Have I been 100% with it? Come on, y'all know me. No, I haven't. But I've been actually, for the most, I would say like 80% of the time I am on it. And then the other 20% is like YOLO. You know, it's summer, you go out to eat, you go into functions, you go to birthday parties, and most times low carb and plant-based options aren't there, and I'm not stressing myself out. But I'm at a space in time right now where I want to be more intentional and stick more to what I know is best for my health. I think I discussed this in the last video as well. Low carb and plant-based, my body feels best when I'm on. I'm making sure that person don't hit my car. They look kind of close. Yeah, had to wash them a little bit. But yeah, it's getting hot again. I gotta turn the air on. Let me know if the air is too loud. I won't do it in the next video. But yeah, girl, that's what's been happening. I've still been working out consistently. I've still been you know, waking up, setting intentionally. He almost hit my car with that door. He probably doesn't realize I'm in the car. But yeah, I've been intentionally, you know, going to the gym at minimum. I have a whole pimple. My ovaries keep tussling with me, and that's why I need to stick, you know, strictly to low carb and plant-based. But even then, it's still, but yeah, off topic. But yeah, I've been going to the gym minimum 3 to 5 times a week, and I've been eating low carb and plant-based a good 80% of the week, unless I have like almost no options. And then I, you know, and I'm not even going to share with you. Usually I'll tell you guys about it. I'm going to tell you guys now because we're getting back on track. So that's where we've been. Junior turned 6. What else happened this summer? It's just been a lot. It's been a lot of fun. We've been going to Carowinds a lot. If any of you are in North Carolina, Carowinds is like a theme park out here. So we've been doing that a lot. I think I told you guys, I don't know, I didn't tell you guys this. I've been lifting heavy. So yeah, I've been at the gym and going into that section. You know, that section of the gym where you kind of feel intimidated to go in? I've been going in that section. Me, gym anxiety and all. And even whipping out the camera a couple times. Girl, I've been doing that. And I found that even with not consistently eating low carb, when I'm lifting, my body is still burning fat. Is the scale going down as fast? No, but I realize it's because of water weight, and also I'm building muscle. Like, my body is changing. It's looking different. My booty's getting bigger. Like, girl, like, because I'm doing like RDLs, I think they're called, and I'm also doing, you know, like intentional movements to build muscles in my legs. I'm doing arms too, but I think I'm a leg girl. I'm a leg day girl. So I've been doing that. If you want me to share some of that with you, let me know. I'm going to tell you from now, I'm not a professional. I've just been like setting my mind to do it and consistently doing it. Am I doing it perfect? No, but if you want me to share that portion of my journey with you, I will, because it has been working. My body has been changing. So I would love to share that with you if you guys are interested. If not, we'll just stick to the food. But yeah, that's where we are. In terms of me eating low carb, like 80% of this, low carb and plant-based 80% of the time, I think what I want to try is carb cycling, I think they call it, where you're eating carb a higher, you're not going off the deep end with your carbs, but you're allowing yourself more carbs, like 2 to 3 times a week, and then the other rest of the days you're doing strict low carb. And I think that would allow me to dive deeper into whole food and plant-based eating, you know, just to really get a feel of what it's like to be like really eating vegan and not just like avoiding rice, avoiding carbs, because I think that's kind of deterring me. That's what's deterring me from like sticking to it 100%, because it's hard to stick to low carb and plant-based. It's a lot of restrictions, but I know it's beneficial for me because my body feels best when I'm doing that. I've been rambling for 5 minutes, so I think I should stop now. If you guys want more tea, let me know in the comments below. I have so much more that I know I could share with you. But let me know how your summer's been going. Let me know if you forgive me in the comments below. Let me know what you think about carb cycling. If you ever tried it, give me some info down below. And yeah, I've been good. I'm still alive. I'm still intentionally, you know, working on my health and making sure that these cysts on my ovaries are under control and I'm not getting those painful symptoms from them. And yeah, that's where I am. I missed you guys. I missed posting and interacting on the, you know, the premieres and stuff. So I'm back. I am trying to get back in a groove. So I am gonna work as hard as I can on being consistent. And yeah, we're back. I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. Low carb and plant-based food in general can be so good if you season it well, and that's my passion, like doing healthy eating with flavor. And I have so much I want to share with you guys. So thanks for sticking with me this long. Thanks for listening to me this long. If this helped you in any way, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps my channel and it's gonna get me back, you know, on the ball. It helps me and it encourages me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I miss doing that. I haven't done that in so long. Bye. All right, see you guys.
Your voice is like a song I've never heard, and I know your actions speak louder than